Can you pass this common sense test?
To pass the test, you must crack a 7-letter password whose letters come from 7 passages that you will be presented with. Each passage contains a deliberate mistake, typo, or something that doesn't make sense. You have 15 seconds to find the mistake. The line that contains the mistake is marked with a letter on the left. That letter replaces the position in the password that corresponds to the passage number. For example, if passage 1 contains a mistake in the line marked with letter A, then the first letter of the password is A. Good luck and please subscribe. Passage 1. Light is a type of energy that travels through the air and is used to see things. Visible light is electromagnetic radiation within the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that is perceived by the human skin. Visible light has a wavelength that falls within the range of human eyesight, 400 to 700 nanometers. Light travels at a speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second in a vacuum. Passage 2. Light is made up of protons, which are particles of energy. Light waves can be reflected, refracted, or absorbed. Reflection occurs when light waves bounce off of a surface. Refraction occurs when light waves bend as they pass through a medium such as water or glass. Absorption occurs when light waves are absorbed by a material such as black paint. Passage 3. Sometimes light behaves like a particle, photon, and at other times, like a wave. The photon is an elementary particle, or a particle that cannot be split into anything smaller. Photons differ from matter particles in that they have no mass and travel at the speed of sound. It carries the electromagnetic force, one of the 4 fundamental forces of nature, between particles. Passage 4. The waves that accompany light are made up of oscillating electric and magnetic fields. Light waves can be described by their wavelength and frequency. Waves with frequencies lower than the range of human vision are called infrasound. Waves with frequencies higher and wavelengths shorter than human eyes can see are called ultraviolet. Passage 5. The speed of light is a universal constant. meaning that it always travels at the same speed in a vacuum no matter what. It is so fast that it takes only 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth from the sun. Einstein's theory of relativity states that the speed of light is the lower limit that anything can travel at in the universe. The speed of light in matter is always smaller than that in a vacuum. Passage 6. Electromagnetic radiation is created by the oscillation or acceleration of an electric charge. Electromagnetic waves have both electrical and elastic components. The electromagnetic spectrum consists of gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet radiation, visible light, infrared radiation, microwaves and radio waves. Visible light is only a small part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Passage 7. Color is the visual perceptual property corresponding in humans to the categories called red, blue, yellow, green and others. Different colors of light have the same wavelengths. The white light, such as light from the sun, is a mixture of all the colors in the visible spectrum. The longest wavelength we can see is deep red at about 700 nanometers. The shortest wavelength humans can detect is violet at about 400 nanometers. Did you figure out the password? If you did, verify with the anagram below, where the same letters are listed in alphabetical order. Hint: an arc of colored light in the sky caused by refraction of the sun's rays by rain.